What's up you guys, this is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at Palantir stock, and most importantly I'll be going over an update on the play that I was planning to take on Palantir, the position, and if I have taken that play, and if I have, am I still holding that position, how am I planning to manage this position, where are my stop losses, what is my reasoning behind going into this play, and how things are looking like. And we'll also take a look at the price action on Palantir. Not just that, you will be learning a lot more in this video as well with my thinking process, how I trade even across multiple charts, what I looked for in Palantir. So hopefully this will be a a learning interesting lesson as well for you that you can incorporate in your trading journey, right? So I did a video last weekend on Palantir and pointing out that this is the play I want to take at the entry of $24. Now remember, back then Thursday is when market closed right over here, and I mentioned that this has formed a head and shoulder, but the entry time has gone for me. $24.16 is where I would want to enter, but price already was at $22.95. And I mentioned that if a rebound comes, I'll short it into rebound. Now, before going further, I want to let you know that none of this is any financial advice. It's only for education purposes. I'm only sharing my opinion, how I trade the market, how I read the market, nothing more than that. You are solely responsible for your own financial decisions and outcomes. I play no role and no part in that. So, okay. And please also hit the like and subscribe if you find my videos valuable and helpful. Okay, so yeah, that's where this original, my play came, that I was interested in short play, but price was already had made the move and I was looking for a rebound. So Monday came around and I saw this red candle which was finding support at 50 days moving average. I'm like, no, doesn't feel right. I don't want to take the short. Just first of all, the position is far away from where I want to take, and plus it's just finding support at 50 days moving average. So I let it go on Monday, did nothing. Tuesday came around, this thing gapped lower than 50 days moving average. That's where it opened, and I was like, well, no, I don't want to take this trade. It's already has made so much of move, and no. Wednesday came around, it was rejecting 50 days moving average, and I said, shall I just take it here, because is it going to continue lower? Well, I was like, it's not fitting in the area where I want to take the short play, because I want to take it as close as to this area of my entry at $24.19. That's where the meat of the move is, with this pattern of head and shoulder. And guys, if my entry criteria are not fulfilled and if I have missed the move, I just let it go. There are so many other stocks, right? So I don't FOMO behind, oh, I gotta take this position, right? So, however, Thursday came around and it gave me my entry. So yes, I am in the short play of Palantir, and let me walk you through my thinking process now. What made me go into this play? Okay, so this is the area I was looking at originally, right? That I want to get in at this level of $24.17. So when I'm trading, when I'm doing my videos, I try to make it very simple for you so that things don't look too complicated. But let me give you a taste, a little bit more behind the scenes on, how I use multiple charts for trading. So I usually have, well, not just two layouts. I have, on the bigger screen, I have sometimes 4 charts, and all like 4 dimensions, 4 charts, multiple layouts. For the simplicity, I'll only keep the layout of 2 charts here, okay? So when I say 2 charts, they're both going to be Palantir charts, but they're just going to be different intervals, time frames. So for the sake of this video, I'm keeping daily on the left side, and I'm keeping hourly interval on the right hand side. By default, it has already selected hourly here. So what was my thinking process taking this play, and I'll then show you where I took the play. So when I saw this gapped up over here, you can see in the pre-market. So on the left side, we have daily interval, on the right side, hourly interval. So you can see in the pre-market, we gapped up here, this green thing, candle, right? And so we opened right up here. So very close to 20 days moving average. and also very close to 200 hours moving average in the pre-market. Then the market open, markets start to open, and let me actually take it the 5 minutes interval on the right hand side. Then we'll so remember what I showed you, just that hourly. It's very important to note that 200 hours moving average was one of my criteria for this position. Okay, I'll go to the 5 minutes in just a second. But so I saw this rejection candle went up, the market open candle started rejecting and started to go below 200 hours moving average. At the same time, it fulfilled my criteria that it was around my entry point and also was rejecting this 20 days moving average from underneath over here, right? On the left side. It's just replicating what I'm drawing on the right side as well. So, but right now my cursor is on the left side, okay? So two criteria were fulfilled. And as I said, just for simplicity, I'm showing you two charts. I also have, I use, again, so let's do the right hand side now. Let me take it the 5 minutes. So I would usually have 3-4 intervals open at the same time. And here you can see that, well, on the 5 minutes as well, with that the rejection of the 200 hours moving average, I was seeing this wicks forming and the rejection of the pre-market area and around the same significant level, $24.19, and this is where I opened my short position with the confirmation of in the 10 minutes or so when the market opened. So yes, so let me now move my place of short area. So this is where I opened the short position in my play, almost here somewhere, okay? Yes, so I'm in the short play, and just for the simplicity, guys, I'm just gonna come back to the single layout now, but now you understand my reasoning behind taking this play. And this was always the plan. It's just that that move I got on Thursday here, right? So I'm in the short play. Now, yes, things are looking weak. I mean, I do size out, size in, like, when I see these massive flushes the same day, why would I not size out? Like, my style of trading, I like to take partial profits throughout the journey. So let's go to the hourly interval. I took very little out, maybe not even, maybe 20%, after forming this bottom in the post-market, but it started to climb back up, took out a little bit, 20%, and rest 80%, I'm still holding this position. My stop loss, now where I want to keep the stop loss, right now I'm fine keeping it above $24.19, but I would change it accordingly if price evolves. But right now I'm willing to hold it, my position as well, and for the reasons that on the daily interval, I'm still, well, we are still below, oops, sorry, we are still below this 50 days moving average over here, and then it has given me that confirmation. So, and also it is in the downtrend. It's forming lower highs, lower lows. Right now there is no structure change on the daily interval. We have lower lows and lower highs, right? And so yeah, I'm willing to hold this position through the next week, and even on 4 hours interval. As I said, I'm not seeing any structural change to the upside. This is the current resistance area of, you can see this is where it's currently resisting. If it looks strong, I'll size in, size out, as I said. But yeah, I expect this to continue lower, just my opinion. I have a stop loss regardless. But this is the play that I'm in on Palantir. So I wanted to share in this video the price action and my thinking process behind taking this move. And there is no structure change on Palantir to the upside unless and until, let's go to the hourly interval. So yeah, so let me correct myself a little bit. So pattern shift, look, it's right in the center right now of the pattern shift if it happens. What I want to see on Monday is this continue lower and doesn't stay above $22.92 for long enough. If it makes another day above $22.92, I might want to size a little bit more up here, because yes, this could lead it, because this is the recent inverted head and shoulder, and then it's forming that support in that same area. So to negate this, we definitely in a day or two we need to go much lower. Otherwise, yes, I'll try to size out a pair, which is fine. I mean, this is the name of the game. It's not that I'll incur any losses. I'll still come out net profitable. It's just that not much of the move, right? So that's that. But I'm still leaning more on the downside with Palantir, at least for the cool-offs. And you can see that over the weekend I talked about, this is where you can expect some bounce, right? This is where this top was previous high, and that's where we are finding this bounce. Now it's just that, is this bounce strong enough to hold it? And if we lose this level of $21.85, I'm targeting $20.24 at least to cover my short position. But anyways, guys, and also 200 days moving average. Anyways, guys, that's for Palantir update. And if you found this video helpful and valuable, please hit the like and subscribe. And with that, I'll see you in my another videos. I did videos already on Tesla, Nvidia, and a lot of other stocks as well, guys. Check those out on my channel. I cover a lot of plays in my videos. And so, yeah, check those videos out, guys. Okay, see you in the next videos, guys. Take care. Bye.